Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to add a watermark to your videos using Capcut. It's a great way to let people know you're the creator of the content. Let's get started. First, open the Capcut app on your phone. Once it's open, click on New Project to start a new editing session. Select the video to which you want to add the watermark from your gallery. After selecting your video, click on the ADD button located in the bottom right corner. This will open up the editing screen where you can make changes to your video. Now look for the text option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. You'll see various options appear. Choose Add Text. Next, a text box will appear where you can type your profile name or any text you want to use as your watermark. After typing in your text, click on the Style option. In the Style options, adjust the opacity to make the watermark semi-transparent. This ensures it's visible but doesn't distract from your video content. Once you're satisfied with the opacity, click on Done in the top right corner of the menu. Now, extend the text duration so that it covers the entire duration of your video. This ensures your watermark appears throughout the video. And that's it! You've successfully added a watermark to your video using Capcut. Now people will know you're the creator of the content. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Capcut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.